The light white tiles in this home were covered in grime and dirt after buying it from the previous owners. Now, with a busy family life, 2 active dogs, and children, the kitchen and rest of the house tiles desperately needed cleaning. After several failed attempts by the customer, nothing could improve the conditions. They even bought a domestic rotary tile cleaning machine, but despite its advertised power, it did nothing. Finally, the customer received a referral from a friend about our company, which cleans tile and grout in the Surrey and London area. After calling Adam from Patty Plus and setting up an in-person inspection, the quote was delivered the same day. The customer decided to book our service at the next available spot. In this video, you can see the process and the final effect of our work.
Do you want to hear more from us? Follow us on Facebook and YouTube for updates and tips if you have any questions about carpet cleaning and care, tile and grout cleaning, stone restoration and care. Visit www.patty.plus or call 0203355083. You can always WhatsApp us to the same number at any time.